my name's Brett.
And I'm Camilla.
And we're chefs at Sydney Cooking School. We're here today to teach you a few different dishes, from selecting a knife to using the right knife with the right food and how to sharpen a knife.
And we also play around with some segmenting of oranges, making some empanadas, guacamole, just to name a few. And then really for the people who want to push the envelope a little bit more, we're going for the tartatans and the soufflés.
Yeah, we've got some beautiful, delicious savoury soufflés up to your dessert soufflés. And then Camilla does beautiful grilled salmon and some Mexican dishes.
And if you're struggling with breakfast, you know, we've also thrown in some egg dishes for you.
Yeah, some poached eggs, scrambled eggs, omelette, all sorts of everything from the basic chef up to the, you know, let's be a little bit more creative. You might take our videos and put your own twists, have your own ideas of what to do with it.
They are. There is somewhere a guide for you to see how chefs create things in the kitchen, and then you can create exactly what we do in your own home. We just think it's sometimes easier to actually see food being made as opposed to reading it in a recipe book. So we're hoping today you'll find cooking in your kitchen a lot more enjoyable with our videos to help you through.